Imagine living in a world where giants roamed, a world where creatures so massive and so bizarre dominated the landscape. This was the world of the dinosaurs. The enigma surrounding these colossal beings and their sudden erasure from existence has puzzled humanity for centuries. We're about to delve into the theories that seek to unravel this mystery. Was it a catastrophic asteroid, volcanic activity, climate change, or a combination thereof? So, what happened to these incredible creatures? Why did they suddenly vanish from the face of the Earth? The first theory we'll explore is perhaps the most popular one, the asteroid theory. This hypothesis suggests that a colossal asteroid, or perhaps a comet around 6 miles in diameter, crashed into Earth about 66 million years ago. The impact would have been cataclysmic, releasing energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. Now, where's the evidence, you may ask? Well, it's found in a town in Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula known as Chicxulub. Here, geologists discovered a vast circular depression in the Earth, suspiciously dating back to the same period when dinosaurs vanished from the face of the planet. This enormous crater, stretching 120 miles in diameter and 12 miles deep, is believed to be the impact site of the asteroid. This catastrophic event would have led to a series of catastrophic outcomes. The impact would have caused fires to break out and a nuclear winter effect. This occurs when so much dust and debris are thrown into the atmosphere that it blocks out sunlight, leading to a dramatic drop in temperatures. The darkness and cold would have killed plants, leading to a domino effect up the food chain. Herbivores would have starved, followed by the carnivores who preyed on them. But it's not just the crater that supports this theory. A thin layer of iridium-rich clay has been found in rock layers all around the world dating back to the same time. Iridium is rare on Earth's surface but is abundant in asteroids and comets. This global layer of iridium is like a grim fingerprint, marking the asteroid's devastating impact. So, could an asteroid impact have spelled the end for the dinosaurs? It's a plausible theory and there's compelling evidence to support it. But remember, the mystery of the dinosaurs' extinction is complex, and this asteroid theory is just one piece of the puzzle. There are other theories to consider, each with its own set of clues and controversies. So, as we delve deeper into this prehistoric mystery, hold on to your explorer's hat. We're just getting started. Another theory that scientists have proposed is the volcanic activity theory. Now this is where things heat up, quite literally. In the Deccan region of modern-day India, we find evidence of substantial volcanic activity dating back to the time dinosaurs roamed the Earth. These volcanic formations, known as the Deccan Traps, are a massive testament to the Earth's fiery past. The term trap comes from the Swedish word for staircase, reflecting the step-like hills formed by multiple volcanic eruptions over thousands of years. Now, these aren't your average volcanoes. We're talking about vast amounts of lava spewing out, covering an area as large as the state of California. But how could volcanic activity lead to the extinction of dinosaurs? Well, the answer lies in the climate-altering effects of these eruptions. Volcanoes don't just spew lava. They also release large amounts of gases, including sulfur and carbon dioxide. These gases can have a profound effect on the Earth's climate. Sulfur gases can form aerosols in the atmosphere, tiny particles that reflect sunlight back into space. This could potentially cause a volcanic winter, a period of significantly reduced temperatures. Imagine the Earth, once a paradise for cold-blooded dinosaurs, transformed into a chilly, inhospitable wasteland. On the other hand, carbon dioxide is a well-known greenhouse gas that can cause global warming over longer periods. This could lead to a hothouse Earth, with sweltering temperatures and acidified oceans. Either extreme could have made survival difficult for the dinosaurs. The Deccan Traps eruptions occurred over a period of about 1 million years, right around the time of the dinosaurs' extinction. This timeline has led some scientists to propose that these eruptions could have played a significant role in the dinosaurs' demise. However, like any good mystery, the evidence isn't clear-cut. Some studies suggest that the most intense volcanic activity happened after most dinosaurs had already disappeared. So, while the volcanic activity theory is compelling, it's still a hot topic of debate among scientists. Could the Earth's own fiery fury have been responsible for the extinction of the dinosaurs? It's another fascinating theory. The third theory we'll delve into is the climate change theory. The Earth's climate, as we're well aware, is not constant. It ebbs and flows, shifts and changes over millennia. Now imagine the world of the dinosaurs, a world vastly different from ours. It was a time when the planet was much warmer, with no polar ice caps and sea levels significantly higher than they are today. Now consider the creatures that inhabited this world. Dinosaurs, creatures of colossal size and grandeur, adapted to their environment just as we have adapted to ours. They thrived in the warm and tropical climate, but what if that climate began to change? Evidence suggests that around the time of the dinosaurs' demise, the Earth was undergoing significant climate changes. The planet was cooling and the warm tropical world the dinosaurs knew was disappearing. This would have led to drastic changes in the vegetation and available food sources, changes that these massive creatures may not have been able to adapt to. Further evidence of this climate change comes from the rock record. Geologists have found evidence of increased weathering of rocks around this time, a sign of more rainfall. More rainfall suggests cooler temperatures, a shift towards a more seasonal climate. This would have been a significant change for creatures used to a stable, warm climate year-round. Additionally, the shifting continents could have played a role. The breakup of the supercontinent Pangaea would have altered ocean currents and wind patterns, causing further climate changes. These changes would have been gradual, happening over millions of years, but they could have had a dramatic impact on the dinosaurs' survival. So, the climate change theory suggests that these changes, these shifts in temperature and rainfall in vegetation and food sources, could have led to the dinosaurs' downfall. They were creatures of their environment, and as that environment changed, they may have struggled to adapt. Could a changing world have been too much for these giants to adapt to? It's a thought-provoking possibility. We're left to wonder, to ponder the mystery of the dinosaurs' demise and consider the lessons we might learn from their fate. Finally, we come to the combination theory. This is where the plot thickens, where we delve into the possibility that the end of the dinosaurs wasn't brought about by a singular event, but rather a catastrophic cocktail of disasters. Imagine the scene. An asteroid millions of miles from Earth hurtles through space on a collision course with our planet. The impact is catastrophic, sending shockwaves around the world and filling the atmosphere with dust and debris. The sunlight is obscured, leading to a sudden and dramatic drop in temperature. This is the asteroid theory at play. But the chaos doesn't end there. The impact of the asteroid triggers violent volcanic eruptions. Lava flows over the land, filling the air with noxious gases and further exacerbating the climate shift. This is the volcanic activity theory in action. And then, as if the world hasn't suffered enough, the climate begins to change. The dust and debris from the asteroid and the volcanic eruptions block out the sun for years, maybe even decades. Temperatures plummet and the world enters a prolonged winter. Plants die off, herbivores starve, and the carnivores that depend on them for food are left with nothing. This is the climate change theory coming into play. The combination theory suggests that these events, each catastrophic in its own right, could have happened in quick succession or even simultaneously. This would have resulted in a domino effect, each disaster exacerbating the effects of the others, leading to an environment so hostile that even the mighty dinosaurs couldn't survive. But, as always with theories, there are questions. Could these events have happened in such a way that they led to the extinction of the dinosaurs? Would each event on its own have been enough to wipe out these magnificent creatures? Or was it the combination that proved fatal? And most importantly, can we ever really know for sure? Could it have been a catastrophic combination of events that led to the end of the dinosaurs? It's certainly a compelling theory. And so, we've journeyed through time and theories, exploring the possible reasons for the dinosaurs' extinction. We've delved into the depths of the asteroid theory, where a colossal cosmic body is believed to have slammed into Earth, causing a cataclysmic event that led to the dinosaurs' downfall. We've speculated on the fiery eruptions of the volcanic activity theory, where relentless, earth-shattering volcanic activity may have turned the world into a hostile, uninhabitable place for these colossal creatures. Then we stepped into the realm of the climate change theory, pondering on how the gradual but significant shifts in Earth's climate could have led to their extinction. We've also pondered the combination theory, which suggests a deadly cocktail of all these factors, working in tandem to seal the fate of the dinosaurs. Indeed, each theory carries its own weight, supported by diverse scientific evidence and research. Yet, the certainty of what truly led to the extinction of these magnificent creatures remains elusive, shrouded in the mystery of prehistoric times. The extinction of the dinosaurs is a captivating puzzle, a testament to the ever-evolving nature of our planet and the life it nurtures. It's a story of survival, of adaptation, and ultimately of an end that gave way to new beginnings. Perhaps one day we'll uncover the full story of the dinosaurs' demise. Until then, their extinction remains one of the greatest mysteries in the history of our planet.